In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens for BNB using Coinbase Wallet. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app. This is the self-custody wallet, not the main Coinbase exchange app. Give it a second to sync and make sure you can see the token you plan to trade. If you've never used BNB Smart Chain before, double check that your wallet is set to that network inside Coinbase Wallet so the swap routes correctly. Next, you have two ways to proceed. You can use the built-in swap feature in Coinbase Wallet, or you can open the dApp browser inside the wallet. Both approaches work, and the right choice depends on what's available to you and the token pair you want. The built-in swap is quick and convenient. The dApp browser gives you more granular control with decentralized exchanges. If you're using the dApp browser, connect to a decentralized exchange that supports BNB on the BNB Smart Chain. A popular choice is PancakeSwap. Make sure you're on the official site and that the network selector in the DEX shows BNB Smart Chain. If the app asks to connect your wallet, approve the connection from Coinbase Wallet so the DEX can read your balances for this session. Now choose a token you already hold in your Coinbase wallet, such as ETH or USDC, and select BNB BEP20 as the token you want to receive. Confirm that you're selecting the BEP20 version of BNB on BNB Smart Chain, not any other BNB variant on a different network. Review the quote, including the price impact, minimum received, and any slippage settings. If your token isn't appearing, you can paste the verified contract address, but only use sources you trust to avoid scam tokens. When everything looks right, proceed to confirm the transaction. Your wallet will show a gas fee in BNB because transactions on BNB Smart Chain are paid in BNB. You must have a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover this fee. Without it, the swap can't complete. If you see a gas error, reduce the swap size slightly or adjust the slippage tolerance, then try again. After you confirm, wait for the transaction to finalize on chain. You can tap into the transaction details to view the hash and track progress on a BNB Smart Chain Explorer. Once it clears, your BNB balance should appear in Coinbase Wallet. If it doesn't show immediately, refresh your wallet or toggle networks and back. And that's it. You've successfully swapped your tokens for BNB using Coinbase Wallet.